Here I have TCL 30, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, then go to the about phone, find a line build number here and tap on it with your finger several times like this until you get the message you are now a developer, but I'm already a developer so I don't get this message. But to get it, you just tap on this button several times with your finger, and here we have developer options. They will appear here. You can also disable them by tapping here, and now they will disappear. And for example, now I can summon them once again like this. Yes, allow. And now I'm a developer. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.